oyedwa
ukungaganywa kwamasonto ebephila nomthetho nosuku nosuku lokho kuyinkohliso embi
yalazi ugcona umuntu ongazikunenyenyisa
Paris 5 Kandeni
ulwa-ke sizwana mfowethu ngale ndlela uyabo siyavakashelana ngisho ukuvakashelana sihlale yabo singabangana ngisho njalo nolwa
senjalo kunama-architects amaningi aqhamuka football esayidini lenkabe records
funa beqoqane behlangane bathole behlangene umbala amahlobo emayistima esejabulile ubona ngilola
Hello, Moscow.
No, umthando engicanga ukuthi abantu abaningi banokumnothisa. Uyakhola umthandeni. Ukhola impela nje. Uyahamba uattenda nje inkonzo ngoDisemba. Isonto nje serious. Uyinto attend isonto nje serious.
sikhuliswe ngokukholwa nje ngisho ungayanga esontweni ungaya esontweni ongathengele impahla zokusweka yabo ungayanga esontweni ongaphakelwa ngalelo langa ofanele ube ne-punishment ethile uhambe uyokha amanzi uzowagcwalisa igramu elingaka uyabo indlela nje umuntu akhule ngayo leyo so lento yenkolo ekhaya into yakhona
uNkulunkulu abantu bakholelwa kakhulu ezinyangeni nasemthini uma bakhazimula kanje bathi uthwele noma unenyoka
Akasebenzisa inyanga. Lento ayiyona nje ngizoba bemsola. Cha lutho nje uye noJesu wakhe.
emzini omuhle lo ohlala uvela ku-social media okuthiwa umfowethu akahlala ekhaya bonke abafowethu basekhaya mina umfana wakho nomncane obhuti siyahloniphana nabo kumnandi abanaso futhi isikhwele sokuphila nami
Futhi mina sengibonga ukuthi sihlangane kanje ngoba sizinsizwa noma singabafana balakhaya asihlali ndawonye abanye baseThekwini abanye baseGoli so kodwa sitheni masithola ithuba njengalutho namhlanje satha sihlangane ngamakhanda sikhiphe izwi kuyilona lona elodwa phekwesinto esithile sitheni masihlangane sabona ukuthi hayibo kuyadingeka umuntu ozokwazi ukukhelela abantu amanzi abacela amanzi okuphuza abadlula ngendlela la
ngizokhumbula ukuthi umama Mashando wazahamba emhlabeni ekhala ngokuthi usedinga umakoti sahlangana abafowethu saphuma neqhinga lokuthi umfowethu lo ngoba unabantwana ababili umuntu entombini yakhe yamqoma ngedungo 2008 kusho ukuthi abantu laba babekwazi ukuphila more than 10 years basingaphila even 20 years
Ukuba kuyiphuka amashana ukuthi begana egcina usuku umuzi uhlala ukhona uphile uvuke ukuthi ube nabafazi or kube nomfazi
yikhanda njengomkhongi kakhulu walomsebenzi wamukula nomakoti kudingeka ukuthi ubonile lapho kwanyana ukwazi ukuthi labo ozohamba nabo belalele wena nalapha nisithondisa kwamamele sikuwe ngoba wena uzobe ugxobha njengoba nje sisale singaholela lokungamanqoko la kodwa manje sekuqala isigaba
ekuseni umakoti esesihlahleni afike umakoti azoyatha iy'ntombi ziphikisane lapha umakoti esesibayeni ishawe inxeba wake wayigeje oluqala inxeba funakala-ke uhlawulele lesibili inxeba bese leyo nkomo ilala phansi leyo nkomo-ke yiyona nkomo leyo ephelelisa umakoti ngokobudlozi bala ekhaya imphelelise ngokomuzi
intombi ma uyithathe isiye kubili ikhehlo uyise
yebo
wena uba isimemo ngiyakumema bongwezi
Yena eyathiwa umakoti
nina into enifanele
bayazi
niyenze
leyo.
siyekele ukusifundile uthatha inkomo yomkhetho niyise kwaZulu nina ningezi
Ngoba kwenzakala nje ekhaya umthetho wasekhaya njengoba yonke imizi inemithetho yakhona oyawe futhi uyigxeke nami lapha ekhaya nje-ke umthetho wakithi ngiwusapota 100%.
Kona konakele vele bengakwazi ukuthi lento njena iziqumbube la endlini phambi kokuba sidwele indlu nje yinto befanele beyikhukhase ngale eceleni umntwana noduyazi
ngehlonipho akusiwona usiko lakwamanene usiko lukaNkulunkulu wasezulwini. So inkolo ayihambi ngokobuso ihamba ngokaNkulunkulu odala abantu behambisa abantu kodwa ubaba bethu uyasho yamuzi bethu uyasho ngoba kulubefika ukumzanda
inkomphuma kwamkhwenyana yokhehla umakoti mayezele kwenye indawo ingane ongayona yala ekhaya ukhethwa mbaba wakhe ukuthi basindisiwe bona bakhiphe inkomo beyise kwaZulu yomkhehla hayi umsana
Lokhu ukuthi umakoti okwathi inkomo
bona-ke iyaphiwa vele inkomo esibayeni yomqoniso
iyathiwa
umakoti uyangena umakoti esibayeni
kuphi
afika yithi ngasonto esibayeni kwamkhwenyana leya kwamkhwenyana uyangena umakoti esibayeni afika yithi
usuke kuphi loshaka yena
bese suka
waphindisela emuva
makuselokeni bayahamba nje omama namanye amantombazane umakoti usengayile babhakane befike behlabe inkomo bebuye kodwa bakhona amantombazane bakhona aphethe ilokhu
yasemaconweni egameni lenkosi yethu Jesu Kristu awushaye izandla. Ngizohlangana nawo la ama-members asenkambi record. Kodwa manje ngifika indoda engayazi la emnyama etobezelayo ngiyabona ihle ndoda lena-ke yiyo-ke ephethe osomaqhuzu lapha enkambi record ngiyabona ubhadlana ngifice la uphi kuzulu angithobi.
My function is to take care of the business, and his function is to take care of the music. So, at the end of the day, when we sit here, it's like my responsibility is to ensure we take some records. We are fully equipped and ready to release smash records. That's your responsibility.
Ikhuluma isingisi le ndoda ivete ezisilu yabo iyangeqisela shothi yabo kodwa ke ngicasuka khona lokho lo muntu vete ngoba ekhuluma isingisi nje futhi ufuna umlopha yabo.
My role, I don't live for namhlanje umntwana namhlanje ongekho la So now it's always in the future. What are we doing next year? What are we doing the year after?
Futhi mina ngi-artist kodwa futhi eliwena.
Yeah. You are that.
Yeah, ngi-artist.
Ability to do both. And I'm few artists that can do that.
Because mina mfowethu uyabona funa sihlale udabini lo manje. Umfowabani lo. Mina ngazi uPink Zulu, mina ngakhuluma noPink Zulu ngokusebenza nolwa. Wena ndoda ngikwazi. Hamba ulanda uPink Zulu. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ngesikhathi ngithola ulwa ngafonela uZulu Big yabo. Mfonela nje ngomsizwa yabo, hayi ngokwebusiness. Ngokomsizwa ukuthi hayi ngoba insizwa nginayo inamba yayo. Ngifonela phela ngoba si right mina naye. Yabo. Mfowethu yazi ukuthi la ngishawe isikhathi ngizorelease. Bengizokwenza ingoma noMakhathi but ngibona ngathi Makhathi ubhiza ngaze yabona nje siyaphambana. Futhi lento oyithatha ngomsizwa obathi nale insizwa lisebenza ngendlela. If siyokwenza ingoma khona umfowethu owenza ingoma siyahamba nje fike sisupportana. Ufika kulwa sasebenza ke. Washo one lane. Angavele ngathatha ngenze copy and paste kulo one lane. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi wafika ingoma isiphelile ulwana.
In as much as music is spiritual and it's personal to us because it's passion, we cannot avoid the fact that we are in the music business.
Yes.
Therefore, there are certain things that need to be done from a business point of view. And if you've been in the industry for long, you will know Gucci, more often than not, when the artist leave on the recorded label, it's because izinto zikhulunywe ngomlomo or a handshake, not in a paper tray. Bese kusasa something happens athi sithi ngapokhelwanga lana bangiroba imali kwenze so bese this thing is all over the news, social media, Kabi, Robert, this go on because we cannot predict this scene of Santa Thomas Megajani, what could happen. You know, tomorrow could come and if you Coca-Cola takes if we need pages, not paperwork. How do we even divide the money? How do we split the money? All those sorts of issues.
Ayike into ngizoyikhuluma nawe ngoba laba bantu laba baphatha umqondo ukuthi sizinyoni thina sizimpatha thina abantu basemakhaya uyabona. Ungcono ngizobhekana naye ngqo. UPink Zulu bangazi yena ufuna uzokwazi ngumtshela amaqiniso engifuna umtshela wona. Silungise into kalwa ihambe kahle ukuze sikwazi ukuphinde sisebenze nangelinye ilanga uma sidingana nokuthi nawe ulwaye be right. Kodwa ngikwazi ukukhuluma le ndoda lemnyama uPink Zulu. Naye ngekho omnyama eceleni kwakhe yabo. In terms of ilokho za i-business indaba zama-royalties namaphesenti nani awuyikho uzibalanga lapho ngicabanga ukuthi ngokwamaphesenti angiyena umuntu o-great angiyena futhi umuntu o-selfish. Engiyikhulumayo ile engiyikhulumayo yokuthi ngiyadinga ngibona ukuthi ngibona sidalisa isikhathi singenza noma yiphi indlela. Even next week noma yinini sithola ithuba sibonane uZulabela. Mangithi mina uZulabela ingoba uPink Zulu akazikhuluma isingisi noma esikhuluma uyezwa nje ukuthi uyabona ukuthi isingisi lesi azinampilo kahle uyabona iyaphoqa nje yabo. So siyifanela naye isuke nayo ukuthi i-adopta le style yabona.
Ubuya next week ngiyomthumela address yakhe uyombona le ihlale mina nje njengabafowethu ihlele ilungisa ukuthi angifuni ukuba khona-ke mina mafiya kuleyo ngoba I think ifuna nina nje bayi ikhulume iy'xoxe be-right so masengicedile-ke bese-ke ndingangithinta-ke nto okay hhayi ukuthi usengidlulile-ke asike sesistendelele omunye webhizinisi but I think it's important and I love it.
Ungcono ngizobhekana naye ngoba ngizothi uma ngimtshela lokho ngimtshela khona usuke straight ke umuntu engineshow ukuthi uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini njengenkeshelo yabo.
Not always in the future. What are we doing next year? What are we doing the year after?
Shuthi mina ngi-artist kodwa futhi eliwena.
You are that.
Yeah, ngi-artist.
Ability to do both. And I'm few artists that can do that.
Because mina mfowethu uyabona funa sihlale udabini lo manje. Umfowabani lo. Mina ngazi uPink Zulu, mina ngakhuluma noPink Zulu ngokusebenza nolwa. Wena ndoda ngikwazi. Hamba ulanda uPink Zulu. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ngesikhathi ngithola ulwa ngafonela uZulu Big yabo ufonela nje ngomsizo yabo hayi ngokwebhizinisi ngokomsizo ukuthi hayi ngoba insizwa nginayo inamba yayo ngimfonela vele ngoba si-right mina naye yabo mfowethu yazi ukuthi la ngishawa isikhathi sengizorelease bengizokwenza ingoma nomkhathi but ngibona ngathi makhathi ubhiza ngazi uyabona nje siyaphambana futhi into ayithatha ngomsizo ngoba thina la insizwe lisebenza ngenye indlela if siyokwenza ingoma khona umfowethu owenza ingoma siyahamba nje sifike sisapothana ufika kulwa sasebenza-ke washo one lane angavele ngathatha ngenza i-copy and paste kulo one lane ngiyakhumbula ukuthi wafika ingoma isiphelile ulwana.
In as much as music is spiritual and it's personal to us because it's passion, we cannot avoid the fact that we are in the music business.
Yes.
Therefore, there are certain things that need to be done from a business point of view. And if you've been in the industry for long, you will know that more often than not, when the artist lilwa recording label, it's because izinto zikhulunywe ngomlomo or nge-handshake, not in a paper trail.
Yeah.
If something happens, and it's mina ngikhokhelwanga lana, bangirobha imali, kwenze so. They say this thing is all over the news, social media.